What you should really be thinking about before you decide on making an application is what you're looking to achieve with this level of study. Picking the right program is the first step of creating a really strong application. What are your aspirations in terms of your short and long-term career goals? And what are your learning objectives and what is the experience that you're hoping to have on those courses? Making sure that it meets the criteria, making sure that the skills, knowledge and tools that are going to be taught on the program are what you're looking for to take those next steps post-master's study. We're looking for students that are performing really well academically, but of course it's not just about your academics. We're looking for really well-rounded individuals, people that are going to take advantage of every opportunity, people coming from all different backgrounds, and we look to gain a real diversity because we feel that really adds to the overall experience. You really need to be thinking about how you can make your application stand out from the crowd. What is it about you and your unique set of experiences that really make you a strong and deserving candidate for a master's study here? Of course, if you have any questions, we'd be very happy to talk you through the process. We can happily do eligibility checks before people apply. And of course, getting to know what you want to achieve and being able to advise you then based on our knowledge of the programs, what would be the best fit for you.